Hey art friends, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video we're going to be drawing these characters here. These are our Easter Bunny flavoured ice cream characters. So all you need is some paper and something to colour in with, some markers, and so you can follow along. Alright, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. So we've got our paper here, and we've got our pen, we've got our marker, but you can draw it with anything else, a colouring pencil, a crayon, whatever you like. We'd like to draw with markers. Alright, so we're going to draw our bunny ice cream, and first thing we're going to do is draw the face of the bunny. So we're going to draw 3 little lines. This is going to be the bottom of the bunny where it joins with the ice cream cone. So let's draw one curve like this. This is going to be the middle of the bunny, and we'll draw another curve there as well, and then one on the other side, like that. So this is the part of the ice cream which sits on the cone and is kind of dripping over the cone a little bit. If you want to draw more, that's fine. We just like to draw 3. Alright, so now let's draw the cone, and so we're going to draw a nice cone. It's kind of like a triangle shape, but at the bottom we're going to make a nice round curve. So we're going to start on this side here on the left, and we're going to draw a nice big curve, or big straight line. And then at the bottom here, you can give it a little bit of a curve, like that, and then just go back up to the other side there. Just like that. Yep, and we'll draw some details on the cone a little bit later. Alright, so the next part, we're going to just draw another little curve on the side here. This is just, again, where the ice cream sits on top, so it's kind of squished on there, and it's kind of overflowing a little bit. So just draw another curve like that, and we'll do one on the other side as well. Yeah, makes it look nice and squishy. Alright, so let's draw the actual ice cream where the bunny will be, or the bunny's face will be. So first thing we're going to draw is basically the ice cream is a big circle, big curve going around it like that. Now up the top here, just leave 2 little gaps, because that's where we're going to draw the ears. So first one we're going to draw is a bit of a curve. It is a semicircle like that. We'll just stop about there. Yeah, and then we're going to draw one ear, and the ear is going to be one big loop. It's kind of like an upside down stretched U, and you make a nice big round cute curved ear like that. Now if you want to create some depth and make it a bit more 3-dimensional, you can actually start the line inside the character, so you don't have to start exactly on the line on the outside. You can actually start inside. That creates a bit of depth. Alright, so now we're going to draw another smaller curve. This is the top of its head. Just a small wee curve like that. And we're going to stop there again because we're going to draw another ear on the other side. Yeah, and then we'll draw the same ear like this, but which is on the other side. Again, you can start inside your shape as well. Nice big curve. It's almost like a stretched out upside down U or a stretched squashed C. Alright, that's great. And then all we do is another curve on the other side. So from the ear down to this little squishy bit of ice cream on the side there. Alrighty, that's looking good. Okay, so let's draw some details on our bunny. So first of all, let's draw some details on the ear. So we're just going to copy this curve and start about here, but make it just a little bit smaller, and then but close it off. So it's kind of like, if you turn it on its side, kind of like the D shape, letter D. And do the same on the other side there as well. Just like that. Very good. Alright, now let's draw the face. So first of all, the bunny's got a nose, So we draw a cute little nose there, and nice and easy, it's just a circle. Great, that's looking good. And we'll draw some eyes. I like to draw some nice big eyes. So again, just draw some large circles, one on here and one on the side. And they kind of touch a little bit of the nose, so they kind of sit just slightly behind the nose. Kind of like that, and we'll do one on the other side there as well. Just like that. Now, the great thing about doing these big eyes is that you can draw the pupils all sorts of different ways. You can give it a really small pupil or big pupil with highlights. So I'm just going to draw a very simple, just another circle in the middle there. And same on the other side. I'm going to colour it in black, but I'm going to just leave a little bit of white in the top corner, just like that. And that just gives a bit of a highlight, like a light reflecting off its eye. Yeah! Or you can colour it in if you like to with a different colour. Alright, now let's draw the mouth. Now this bunny ice cream character, I think we're going to have a big cheesy grin on it. So we're going to draw a big, it's kind of like a giant sausage shape along its face here. So let's just start, I think, in the button nose here. And we go around. Yeah, well, that's looking awesome. Alright, and because we're going to draw a big cheesy grin, we're going to draw the same shape but a little bit smaller on the inside. So he's actually going to have lips on the outside, and then the inside will be his teeth. So we just follow the same shape, but it's a little bit smaller. He's going to look very funny. Yeah, good job. Alright, now let's give him some teeth because he's got a cheesy grin. So all we need to draw is some lines. So we're going to give him 4 teeth. So we draw one line down the middle. So he's now, it looks like he's got 2 giant teeth. And we're going to draw on the other half, again, just draw a line there. There we go, he's got a big cheesy grin. Very cute. Alright, now he's a rabbit, so rabbits have whiskers. So let's draw some whiskers on the side. So we're going to draw 3 lines, starting from the side of his head. So we draw 1. You can draw it like that, yeah. And then 3 on the other side as well. Just like that. Great. Alright, getting there, and let's draw some details on the ice cream cone. So ice cream cone there, we're going to draw some lines in there because it's kind of, you know, ice cream cone's like a waffle cone. Normally have a sort of a crisscross pattern. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw some lines this way, and then we're going to draw some lines the other way. So all we do is give it a nice, give it a bit of a curve to it, like this. And it also makes the picture, gives the picture some depth, so it doesn't look so flat. And then we just draw some curves the other way there as well. Like that. Well, they're looking good. There we go, we've got our Easter Bunny flavoured ice cream character all drawn up. And next part is to colour in. So we'll fast forward this part. You can colour in with markers or crayons or pencils or paint or whatever you like. And we're back. We've finished colouring in our Easter Bunny flavoured ice creams. What I've done with mine is I've made mine kind of a pinkish colour, I guess a strawberry. That's one of my favourite ice creams. What I've also done is I've made the outlines a little thicker, so it stands out, and just put some highlights in there as well. And what have you done with yours? Yours is an interesting one as well.
I made my bunny ice cream black licorice flavour.
Oh, black licorice, that is an interesting one. I've never tried that before. I wonder, yum. What's your favourite ice cream, I wonder?